Hello everyone, Saino here, and remember, if you like my videos you can like them or subscribe. Now let's talk about this video. I'm also going to talk about the new PTR build in another video, but this one is also important for people that mainly care about theory crafting, about Subletly Rogue. You can also check the Outlaw and Assassination ones if you want in the Rogue Discord. The link is on the description. There's an initial implementation in Simulation Craft. If you don't know what Simulation Craft is, it's a program that kind of simulates the things that you would do. You put some parameters, you can choose a single target, AoE, a kind of dungeon slice, Mythic plus like a breach, and see how much damage and how much items and stats will affect you. It's not gospel, of course. Simulation Craft is as good as the APL, the Action Priority List, that people like me and others theory craft and implement it into the program. So you have the standalone Simulation Craft, and then you have this page called Raidbots. I'm also going to link the Raidbots in the description. You can check it out. There are plenty of people that have made videos about that, and they are way more popular than me, so you can just check them and look into it. I'm just going to tell you how to do PTR simulations, and of course I'm also going to talk a little bit. If you're a programmer, you might be also familiar with GitHub. This is how the Simulation Craft open source thing goes. We have more than 200 contributors, and in this case our love of Kojiyama is the one that updates the core package of Rogue, of the Rogue class. He has been updating Assassination and Outlaw these days, and now he also did the initial implementation of Subletly. Things that don't work, some trinkets don't work that well. The tier set, the new one, is not working that well yet. Some APLs, of course, will need to be changed because of the new behavior of secret techniques and also shadowcraft things, etc, etc. There is no sync with blades and flagellation. Some dances get thrown randomly, but you can get an initial idea and begin to tweak things as you want. In that case, we will try to check it out. Even if you are big into programming, you can also see he makes a lot of comments. And also, if you want to contribute, there's also the Rogue Discord in the description, and you can just go enter there and check at it. I also like the light version more because I'm so used to it. I'm sorry if you like more the dark version of GitHub. So now, what do we do with Raidbots? With Raidbots, and of course with the local build that you can use, you can of course use the APL that it will be pasted when we get a new update on the APL that we will use. But also here, if you want, you can just put PTR equals 1. It will make it use the latest, the nightly version in this case, general build that we have for the Rogue, in this case Subletly. I'm here with the thing. This is the last sim that I did, so just ignore everything over here. And of course it will just put, and you will can check different talents, etc, etc. And also really important, if you want to get into it, you can also use the Simulation Craft add-on, and you can type in chat. I don't have it on PTR, but it's /SimC, and then it will put something that you can copy and just paste it on that window. Remember, to use the PTR simulations, you need to have it on advanced in the part. How to do it locally, it's also kind of useful. As you can do it locally, you just have the input here that you paste, and also PTR equals 1. But if you don't want PTR equals 1, you can just put the APL when it gets released. Who and me and other people will do the initial implementations likely in some days. There's also a new build that changed some things, so we also have to look at that and syncs and everything. So this was a short video to kind of check, and also to tell that there's this available now if you want to begin crunching numbers. And as always, you are welcome to chat with us in the Rogue Discord. Bye.